Hey everybody, I am Actress, and welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars and sneakers. And today, we got ourselves another episode of How to Sneaker Bot with the YEEZY Foam Live Cop. I'm gonna try to go for the sand colorway on Kith. Today I'm feeling pretty confident about it. You know, I'm a little better equipped for this drop. You know, I got pretty decent proxies, I got more Google accounts, I'm faster on captchas. I got a pretty fast server now. Willy Cop, hopefully I just want to get one pair. That would be dope, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. The drop was gonna be dropping in another 25 minutes, so I'm just gonna cut to there. Alright, I am back and we have started our task a couple minutes early, so now we're just waiting for this shoe to drop. God, I really hope I can cop something on this drop. Been having no success recently, and this would really get things rolling. Something also funny is I'm also in virtual class right now. It's been my biggest freaking problem recently. It's just college getting in the way of my YouTube channel. You know, it's really hard to prioritize. You know, do I want to favor college or YouTube more? I don't know. I've been trying to balance it out, but it's starting to get pretty hard now. Alright, looks like they have dropped now. Now we're getting to Q. And one of my sights are down, and so far absolutely nothing. We're just kind of stuck here in Q. All right, looks like we're having absolutely no luck. Oh, this is really pissing me off. We're getting a lot of restocks here, so maybe we can cop off the restock. This is so annoying when my captchas just fuck up. Like, submit, come on. What? That is the date. Please, what do you mean? That's the date, bro. What is today's date? There you go. This is, oh, I hate this. I hate this so much. Boats. Got one. That looks like a jet ski, but we'll call that a boat. Come on. Come on. Dude, please, what do you mean, please try again? That is the date. Oh my God. I don't know what you want. That's the date, bro. That's the date. Dude, another freaking L. You know, I was pretty confident with this one. Boats. Where's the boats? There's a boat. Come on, next. Come on, just get. Oh, no. Where'd it go? Oh my God. I'm trying my best here, and these things just keep popping up. Nope. Oh my God. Dude, what is today's date? Answer in the following format. There's your format. Can I get the thing? Nope. It just like every time I just enter it in, it just goes, oh, we don't know the fucking date. Which is just absolutely amazing, you know? It's just, why does this happen? Well, boys, this looks like another L. Oh my God, that's so frustrating. Well, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just stop on my task here in a second because I'm not getting anything. And I don't think these restocks are gonna help me either. I just went ahead and just deleted all my tasks because I don't think I'm just gonna get anything else. So it looks like another freaking L today, which really makes me mad, but what can you do? You know, it's a sneaker game. You know, I really should start trying to cop manual because I don't know if I'm just not running my bot right or something, but you know, I had more capture profiles set up. You know, I tested my proxies, created good tasks and stuff, but I guess you just don't hit. So it'd be really awesome if you guys can like and share in this video. Also comment any more help that you guys can give me. I really appreciate it. I would take any feedback. And last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.